Have you ever wondered if we're alone in the universe? Or if there's a way to bridge the gap between our world and theirs? Introducing Developing the Human ET Relationship Through Remote Viewing, an immersive course offered through Ubiquity University as part of their groundbreaking ET Awareness and Communication program. This course is designed to awaken your ability to connect with extraterrestrial intelligence. This transformative course is led by Birdie Jaworski, a pioneer in the field of remote viewing. With 30 years of experience, Birdie founded the world's first remote viewing consultancy and has trained thousands across the globe. Her new method of remote viewing, TransDimensional Mapping, is the next level of these incredible techniques. Learn the time-tested techniques of remote viewing, tools developed by the U.S. government to train soldiers to become psychic spies, and unlock the mysteries of your human potential. Tap into universal frequencies, decode extraterrestrial signals, and sketch the unknown. Discover how to use body scans and deep mind probes to sense, connect with, and communicate with non-human intelligences. This isn't just a class, it's an experience. Guided by one of the field's most respected leaders, you'll practice in real time, engage in transformative exercises, and receive expert feedback as you uncover your ability to connect with the unknown. This course is your opportunity to explore the extraordinary. The universe is calling. Are you ready to answer?